Once a child has had lots of practice building and reading numbers with the golden beads, we can introduce them to the operation of addition. It would begin just like the fetching games, where we would give them a quantity using the numeral cards and they would go and get it. We call this the first addend. Then they would build and bring back a second addend. And we will show them how to combine for addition, beginning in the units place and moving on to the thousands place. We want to make our first equations static, ones without exchanges. So there will be no regrouping here. This is so that they can focus on the process of addition. Start with our units and push them together. Then our tens place, then our hundreds, and finally the thousands. So 2,142 plus 1,426 is 3,568. When we introduce exchanges, we call this dynamic, and we will make an exchange from one category to another and regroup an amount. Let's say that in the tens place of our second addend, instead of a 2, we have 7 tens. This will mean that we will have more than 9 in the tens category and we'll need to make an exchange into the hundreds. Now, instead of 2 tens, we have 7 tens in the tens place. So after we combine our units, we're going to combine our tens, and we're going to realize, oh, we need to make an exchange. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Oh, remember, 10 tens is the same as 100. 10 can't stay loose. Let's regroup.